In this video, I'll be explaining to you how you can buy and sell coins or crypto in KuCoin. First is we will be discussing how you can buy crypto. Log into your KuCoin app and then tap the P2P trading. Inside the P2P trading, you will see the buy and sell. So focus on the buy button, then click it. Choose your crypto that you want to buy and view the market offers available. And once you have decided, select the buy next to your preferred option. Now, once you click this, you will see the screen where you have to view the seller's terms and payment info. Enter the fiat to spend or crypto to receive, then tap the buy now to confirm your order. Next is how you can sell the crypto. Log into your KuCoin account and go to Buy Crypto and then head to P2P trading or the fast trade. Now choose fast trade if you want, or for auto matching you can use P2P to pick your preferred buyer. So once you select the fast trade, you can choose the crypto to sell and the fiat to receive. Enter the crypto amount and this system will calculate the fiat. Now click the sell USDE once you have decided that you want to sell this and select the preferred payment method. So confirm the order information and just click the confirm. That's it. That's how you can buy and sell crypto or coins in KuCoin, and thank you for listening.